At Virtual Building Studio, there's one belief that shapes every project we work on. We don't believe architecture firms sell drawings. We believe they sell confidence. Of course, drawings, BIM models, and construction documents are what clients receive, but they're only the deliverables. They're not what clients are actually buying. Clients are buying confidence. Confidence that the building works, that consultants are coordinated, that construction teams have clarity, and that the architect's design intent survives construction. It comes from documentation, not because drawings are the final deliverable, but because they're where hundreds of design decisions become buildable reality. Every missing detail creates uncertainty. Every coordination issue creates doubt. Every unclear drawing creates interpretation. Great documentation doesn't just communicate design, it protects the confidence your client placed in it. That's why our first step isn't drafting, it's understanding. Understanding how your firm designs, how it documents, how it reviews. Because great documentation shouldn't just look right, it should feel like it came from your own team. That's the philosophy behind how we deliver every project at Virtual Building Studio.